संस्था आपोणे देव जीवित आपोणे मोलादीक दे आपोणे
आपोवण्यांचो आयतार आमी मानयता आसतना खरेंच म्हाका अपुर्बाय दिसता ह्या दिसा निमतान आमच्याच जण एकल्याच्या आपोवण्यांचेर अदीक नियाळ करूंक देवान आमकां जण एकल्याक आपलो वावर ह्या संवसारांत फुडें व्हरूंक आपयला. जेजूक ह्या संवसारांत धाडलो आनी जेजून आपल्या शिसांक धाडले. आयज तोच वावर जेजूचो आमी दरेके फिरगोजेंत आनी दरेका वाठारांत जावं पाद्री आनी माद्री करीत आसात. हे आमचे नावेलचेय फिरगोजेंत होच जेजूचो वावर सगळे भावार्थान उर्बेन आनी हुशारकायेन जायत आसा. ही आमची नावेलची फिरगोस हांव म्हणटा गिरेस्त आपोवण्यान जावं गांवचे जायतीं भाव भयणां पाद्री तशे माद्री जाल्ल्यो आसा. तशेंच आमी नावेलच्या फिरगोजेन वावर करपी कापुचीन फादर्स तशेंच ओस्तोरियांच्यो कॉंग्रिगेशन्स जावं SFN नान्स जावं RMI नान्स जावं दुसऱ्यो आमचे बरोबर पिलारच्यो संस्थेंतल्यो माद्री फातिमा सिस्टर्स आमकांय जाय हे देवाच्या मोड्यान अदीक करून आधुनीक काळांनी जायत्या तरणाट्यांनी हे आपोवण्यांक वेंग मारलेली. देवाचो जेजूचो वावर फुडें व्हरूंक एके भाशेन फुडें सरूंक पीक तर खूब पूण वावराडी थोडे. पिकेच्या दोनया लागीं मागात वावराडी धाड. आमी पिकेच्या दोनया लागीं मागुया आनिकूय वावराडी धाडून ह्या संवसारांत अदीक अदीक देवाच्या मोगाची खबर सगल्यांक आपापले कुयेती प्रमाणे आनी आपापल्या कॉंग्रिगेशनांच्या कॅरिझमा प्रमाणे तांणी परगटूंक.
We are Sisters of Religious of Mary Immaculate. This is our foundress, Saint Vicenta Maria. She was born in Spain, 22nd March 1847. She decided to join on 11 June 1876. We started our congregation. She took the habit, she took the vows, and now we are continuing this work. And this work is in all our houses. We do take care of the girls who come to us. We give them employment, we give them training, and then we employ them. In this residence, we take care of the girls, their integral formation. We plan together, we have games, we go outing, and when we do the evaluation together. So if anyone who is interested, who are studying, they can come and join with us in our residence.
Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrão gave us permission to open this house on 18 October 2008. We got inspired to work in the parish, in the catechism classes, and also in other activity of the parish, like Eucharistic minister, taking communion for our sick people in our ward.
We, the Sisters of Religious of Mary Immaculate, are working with domestic workers. They come from the rural places. When the girls come to our house, we welcome them with the spirit of hospitality as Saint Vicenta Maria did.
We are the missionary sisters of Our Lady of Pilar, commonly known as Pilar Sisters. We were founded in Goa on 8 September 1988 by Archbishop Patriarch Raul Gonsalves. We are founded by the Pilar Society, known as Society of Missionary of Saint Francis Xavier, known as Pilar Fathers. Our charism is to proclaim Jesus where he is not known, in India and beyond. We cater to the people, especially the poor and the marginalized. We serve the women and children in a special way. We work in different mission areas of India like Arunachal Pradesh, Bhopal, Greater Noida, Punjab, Gujarat, Nagara Valley, Mumbai and Goa. We teach in the school, and we do pastoral work and help in medical aid. In Navali, we are at Sinketi. The community is called the Formation House, where initial formation of the young girls is held, where they are oriented to religious life. Here, the girls after 10th standard join us, and they continue their higher secondary being with us. We also teach them English, those who come from other states, and help them to get equipped in English and then continue their further studies. Later, they go and join the other formation houses of the Pilar sisters and complete their formation to be a Pilar sister. Besides the formation house, we also reach out to Our Lady of Rosary Parish in helping out in different ways that we can, like ministering the Holy Eucharist, then to the sick, and also teaching, helping the altar servers and family visits. We also conduct in this house of Sinketi the vocation promotion activity, where we help the young girls to find their vocation. We give them talks, conduct camps, and also visit them regularly and keep in touch and help them to answer the call for religious life. This community was started in 2014. This house is donated to us by Mrs. Bertha Barreto, who had just passed 1 year back. In this house is also connected to Cardinal Gracious, who had an adjacent property here and who is also a close connection with this house.
We belong to the Holy Family of Nazareth. It was founded on 16 June 1935 by Father Faustino de Souza. He was a visionary pastor. He wanted children to be educated. He built boarding houses for the poor and the orphan. Through his selfless giving in pastoral ministry, he was able to regenerate and renew the spiritual life of the people. And in giving, he was able to give birth to our congregation. And today we serve 11 dioceses to radiate hope, love, and work among different religion and culture. In Navali, we came in 1950s, and in 1958 we started Educational Institute to cater to the young boys and girls. And our school is dedicated to Our Lady of Perpetual Succor, named as Our Lady of Perpetual Succor Convent High School. In our community, we are 7 sisters. 5 are dedicated in teaching and 2 are at home. We have around 2,000 students. We also help in Navali Parish, teaching catechism, distribution of communion, youth ministry, visiting the families, and also animate small Christian communities.
In Navali, we have a community which is known as Nazareth Home. Here, we take care of elderly people. We look after them. We take care of them. Presently, we have 21 inmates, and to look after them, we have 7 sisters. This house was started in June 1979. Since then, we have continued this work till today. Besides this ministry, we also help in Rosary Parish in pastoral work. That is, we teach catechism, we distribute communion, and we also go for family visits.
We are the Sisters of Our Lady of Fatima. We had our generalate in Karnataka state, Ballari. Our founder is Monsignor Francis Xavier Crute. He started our congregation, and after some years, they shifted in Pune. Our apostolate is in the field of education, social, and medical. We have newly opened our community in Zorivado in Naveli. Our work is education, teaching the small children, then visiting the old, sick, needy.
In South Goa, we have only one community, that is in Zarivado, Navelim. We are 3 sisters in the community. Jesus has called us to follow Him closely. If you wish to follow Him, come and join us as in Sisters of Our Lady of Fatima.
Dear friends, greetings of peace and love to all. We belong to the congregation of Capuchin Friars Minor, in simple words, Franciscan Capuchins. Our founder is Saint Francis of Assisi, who was gifted with the stigmata, the 5 wounds of Jesus imprinted on his body. He is also acclaimed and proclaimed as the patron of ecology. He loved the Mother Earth so much. That's why he is proclaimed as the lover of Mother Earth, the patron of ecology. The name of our friary is Padre Pio Friary Modi Naveli, and we belong to the parish of Our Lady of Rosary Naveli. Now, this friary was blessed in the year 1973, and from that year onwards, our friars are staying in this place. Our friars are reaching out to the people of God through various ministries, through preaching ministry, novena preaching, listening to the confession, youth animation, counseling, SFO for lay people, and so on. This house has also been a house of formation for our young Capuchins who wish to join us in the vineyard of the Lord. We pray to God that He blesses us with many more young Capuchins so that we may spread the gospel of Christ in the Archdiocese of Goa and Daman and rest of the world. Thank you and God bless you.